I see math, people. Andelgaming on the beat, bro. Hey, Andel on the beat, bro. Rise and run. Now understand D flow, slope and intercept B. Here we go. Grab the line, steady climb, watch it grow. From point to point, plot it out, make it clear. Change in y over x, no fear. Linear path, straight and sheer. Mathematics speaks, the slope appears. So basically, rate of change is the slope, or delta y over x. Points x and y, they are in pairs, finding differences in your data affairs. From x to y, see the rise and run, rate of change, slope calculations begun. Differences in y over x's we know, that's our slope. Now we know for every increase by 2, y rests by 4. Steady pattern, slope. Calculate the slope, which equals to 2 for every x, y equals 2, and it's true. Now we've got the slope, let's find intercept b, where the line hits y axis, clear as can be. To find b, solve for y when x equals 0, plug into explicit form. You know it's the hero using a point like 1, 3. We know the slope m equals 2, let's make it show. So y equals 3 and x equals 1, solve for b. Now our calculations, now our equation is y equals 2x plus 1 with slope 2 and b where it begun. The y-intercept is 1. It's clear linear equation, so you see it here. Okay, wait. Okay guys, hear me out. So plot 2 points a must. Plot just like we discussed. Why are you trying to make your slope? Ain't you tired of the slope's not constant? It is probably blah nanya. Linear lines, linear lines, linear lines, linear lines, linear lines, linear lines. Now let's compare. Which ones though was a pick? Company A, B, B. Which one fits the tick? A charges 50 base plus 10 per hour. Linear cost as time extends its power. Company B is more straightforward to see. 15 an hour. No base fee for each hour, just multiply. Then let's break down and give it a try. Grab the graph, let's plot the lines. Company A and B, different designs. On the y-axis we'll see the cost. Ours on x-axis where lines are crossed. For company A, start at 50 with the slope of 10, climb steady and nifty. Plot point 050, then up to the sky. 160 next, it's easy as pie. For company B, you start at 0.15 per hour. Cost grows like a hero. Plot point 00 to 115, a linear climb, it's steady and clean. Now graph the lines, watch them move. Intersection point will make the proof. Where they meet is the critical hour. Cost comparison, it shows their power. To find where cost match, set them equals all 4 hours. Let's just make it simple. Subtract 10h from both sides, divide by 5. The hour divides at 10 hours. You know cost of line. Both companies charge the same line for less than 10 companies. The way more than 10 companies the pay. Graph and solve, make the call. Linear decisions, we can conquer them all. Find the line, find the line, find the slope. Find the line, find the line, find the slope. Rate of change, better keep it in the scope. Graph it out, understand the trope. Linear path, steady climb, let's cope. Equations, graphing through a cloak. Okay, wait, yeah. Let me hear say linear, 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 linear. Then plot this way, plot that way, then plot this way, plot this way. Are you aligned? Are you locked in? Then plot this way, plot that way, then plot this way, plot that way.